How to make a fingerworm garden. You will need an empty cardboard box, sharp scissors, markers or crayons, glue, colored paper, and pictures of flowers or other kinds of plants. Step 1. Remove one of the box's large sides so it is open and flat like this. Step 2. Cut 5 small holes close together in the bottom of the box. Make them big enough to poke your fingers through. Step 3. Decorate the inside and the outside of the box to make it look like a garden. Step 4. Poke your fingers up through the holes and wiggle them like worms.